Good morning. I'm Jayapayas. Today, let us continue few problem solution. First, let me read it. Following are the balance sheet and decision payments account of Malnad Sports Club Chikmagalur. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. Outstanding salary 3,200. It belongs to the previous year. And in the recent payments account, salary 2016-17 3,200, no difference, therefore should be ignored because previous year amount paid settled. Outstanding rent 800 and in the recent payments account 2016-17 800, no difference, therefore should be ignored. Subscription received in advance 4,000, this is the amount received in the previous year for the current year, therefore it should be added to the subscription. Capital fund, it will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side, asset side. Cash at bank, it belongs to the previous year, that means opening balance should be ignored. Outstanding subscription, it is on previous year 4,800 and in the recent payments account 2016-17 4,800, no difference, whatever amount to be due, paid, received, that's over, therefore should be ignored. Investment 5,200, it will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Sports materials, it is an opening balance, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Last one, furniture, it is a fixed assets, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading fixed asset. On the furniture, there are two adjustments, therefore you have to show the item in the inner column. Next one, receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2018. I have written on the heading also. Come to the item, balance brought down, it is the opening balance, should be ignored. Subscription 2016-17 already over. 2017-18 current year amount should be credited to income and expenditure account. 18-19 rupees 4,200 is received in advance. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liability. Donation 32,400. On that there is one adjustment, let us say afterwards. Entrance fees 65,200 credited to income and expenditure account. Interest credited to income and because it is a revenue receipt. Sale of old sports materials, it is also revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Come to payment side. Rent 16-17 800, it is the amount due for the previous year and paid, should be ignored. 17-18 8,800, it is the current year payment debited to income and expenditure account because it is revenue expenditure. Salaries 2016-17 3,200 settled account, therefore should be ignored. 46,400 2017-18 debited to income and expenditure account. 18-19 it is paid in advance, it is asset shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Printing debited to income and expenditure, revenue expenditure. General expense debited to income and expenditure account. Furniture addition made on 31/3/2000 at the end of the year added to the furniture. Sports materials on 1/10/2017 57,600 added to the sports material. Balance carried on at the end of the year, the cash balance. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Come to the adjustment. Subscriptions outstanding 5,600 outstanding for the current year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as addition to the subscription. And the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Printing unpaid, that is outstanding, added to the printing in the income and expenditure account, and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liabilities. Interest accrued, it will be shown in the income and expenditure account as addition to the interest, and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Depreciate furniture by 10% on the opening balance 32,800, and on the sports materials by 10% on the opening balance as well as on the addition. Let us see afterwards. Last one, capitalize 50% of the donation. Total donation 32,400. 50% is equal to 16,200. It will be shown in the income and expense account at the credit side outcome, and the remaining balance added to the capital fund. Last one, prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. First, let us draw column. Heading of the book, Malnad Sports Club Chikmagalur. Heading income and expenditure account for the ended 31/3/2018. Debit, credit, expenditure rupees, income rupees. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. First heading. First capital fund as on 1/4/70. There are 2-3 adjustments. Let us leave 2 or 3 lines. Second, current liabilities. First, fixed assets. Under that 1 or 2 adjustments are there. Therefore, you have to leave 2 or 3 lines. Investment. Third one, current asset. We have to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet simultaneously, because we can save the time. In addition to that, there is no chance of missing the item. If you miss a single item, there is no chance of getting correct surplus or deficit, and there is no chance of tallying the balance sheet. Therefore, we should carry the system of simultaneously solution. Okay? Now let us start. Outstanding salary 3,200 and the same item was paid, therefore ignored. Outstanding rent ₹800, same was paid, therefore should be ignored. Substitution received in advance 4,000. It is added to the substitution by and received in advance in 2016-17 for 2017-18. How much? 4,000. Capital fund 1,30,800. 1,30,800. Asset side, cash at bank. It is the opening balance, should be ignored. Outstanding substitution 4,800. The tally, it is tallied as per our recent payment, therefore should be ignored. Investment 5,200. Next, sports materials opening balance 43,600. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the name current asset. Inner column 43,600. There are 2 adjustments. Here to leave 2 lines. Furniture 32,800. It is a fixed asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the name fixed asset. First, furniture 32,800. There are 2 adjustments. We have to leave 2 lines. Come to receipts and payments account. 2 balance brought down. It is the opening balance of camp, should be ignored. Substitution 16-17 over. 17-18 current year 90,200. It will be credited to income and expenditure account. Next, donation 30. Next one 2018-19 4,020 they are given separately. Therefore, should be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liabilities. First one, substitution. Received in advance in bracket 2018-19. How much? 4,200. Donation 32,400. Credited income and expenditure account. Inner column 32,400. There is one adjustment. We have to show the item in the inner column. Entrance fees 65,200. It is the revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Entrance fees 65,200. Interest 2,800. It is also revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Inner column 2,800. There is one adjustment. We have to show the item in the inner column. Sale of sports material. It is also revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Rent 16-17 already over. 17-18 8,800 debited to income and expenditure account because it is revenue expenditure. Rent Outer column 8,800. Next, salary 16, 17, 3,200 over. 17, 18, 46,400. 2. Salary 46,400. Next one, 18, 19, paid in advance. It will be shown the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading current asset. 2. Salary paid in advance. How much? 2,400. General expense. Before that, printing 15,200. We have to show in the income and expenditure account at the debit account. It is a revenue expenditure. 2. Printing 15,200. There is one adjustment to show the item in the inner column. Next, general expense, revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. $10,800. Next, furniture. It is a fixed asset addition added to the furniture and additions made for the year. Additions 48,000. Total, yes, 80,800 in the account. Sports materials, additions for the year added to the sports material and additions made for the year. Additions 57,600. Total 1,01,200. Thank you. Last one, balance carried on. It is a cash balance at the end of the year. It will be shown the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading current asset. Cash balance in bracket 31/3/2018. Outer column 60,800. Now come to the adjustment. First one, subscription outstanding 5,600. It is the item belong to the current year, outstanding at the end of the year. It will be added to the subscription and the same item will be shown the balance sheet at the asset side. And outstanding for 2017-18. How much? 5,600. Total outer column 99,800. The same 5,600 will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Outstanding subscription. How much? 5,600. Printing unpaid 1,000. It will be added to the printing and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liabilities. And outstanding for 2017-18. How much? 1,000. Total 16,200 outer column. And balance sheet liability side. Second, outstanding printing. Outer column 1,000. Interest accrued. It is added to the interest because it belongs to the current year. And outstanding for 2017-18. How much? 800. Total 3,600 outer column. Next, the same item will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Number 5. Outstanding interest or interest accrued. How much? 800. Depreciate furniture by 10% and sports materials by 10%. In this case, furniture, there are two items. One is opening and there is addition. Opening, on this opening, we have to prepare, we have to calculate interest for the year. And on the addition, the addition made on 31st March 2008 at the end of the year. Therefore, no depreciation on the 48,000. First one. On the furniture, in bracket, 32,800 into 10% is equal to 3,280. 3,280. Second, sports materials. And in this case of sports material, there are two items. One is opening balance and that is additional amount. Opening balance, we have to calculate in depreciation for the 1 year. And addition made on the 1st October. Therefore, October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 month depreciation on 57,600. On the furniture work, now come to the sports materials. On the opening balance, 43,600. 43,600 at the rate of 10% is equal to 4,360. 4,360. And on the addition, how much? 57,600 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 2. You have to calculate amount. 1 minute, please. Yes. 2,880. 2,880. N2 6, 14, N2 4, 7,280. N2 14, N2 4, 7,280. Total N2 4, 12, 2, 4, 5, 10,520. 10,520. First on 3,280, 3,280 and on 7,240. Exactly correct. This 10,520 will be debited to our income tax expenditure account. Therefore, 2. Depreciation on number 1 furniture, number 2 sports materials. On the furniture, 3,280. On the sports materials, 7,240. Correct. And these two amounts should be shown in the balance sheet at deduction out of the concerned asset. In the furniture, less depreciation. How much? 3,280. Difference. 77,520. Yes, exactly correct. Come to the sports materials. Less depreciation. How much? 7,240. 7,240. 6, yes, 93,960 outer column. Now let us see difference in the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet total. Income and expenditure account is showing the credit side more. Therefore, the difference is called surplus, being 94,080. Surplus 94,080. Total 1,86,800. And this 94,080 will be shown in the balance sheet in addition to the capital fund. Before that, less 50% capitalized, that is donation. 50% is equal to 16,200. Outer column 16,200. Then add number 1 donation. Add number 2 surplus. Donation how much? 16,200. Surplus 94,080. Total outer column 2,41,080. And balance sheet total 2,46,280. You have to write the word total. Thank you. Let us continue tomorrow.